Hello guys. It's Friday, same as usual. It's Friday. Now I just alone here in the house or in the unit. So I need to clean this one because baho, very strong yung baho ng laham. Yung karnero ba? Karnero, yung ano ba yan? Yung sheep yata yung sa karnero. Very strong kasi. Kaya I need to clean, but before I start that one, I need to eat my lunch first because what time is it? I didn't finish my live because the lobat, my battery is lobat the cell phone, and it's 3 o'clock already. So I need to eat. I make video na lang. Okay. There is some rice man here. Yeah. I have some rice. Okay, I put on the first here. I have rice, red rice, so that's what I use for my lunch. And the liver, there is liver. Okay. So, init muna. Mag-init muna ako ng ulam ko. There is liver and there is chicken also. So, ayan. That's my lunch na. It's okay. Kasi 3 o'clock na pala. Ito muna. Kailangan ng kumain ay para stomach happy. Okay. Aray ko. Para happy naman yung stomach ko. That one is yesterday. It's yesterday. Muna tayo ng ano. Diretso na lang yan. Ako. Parang military ba? Pilipinano na lang. Ano ba yun? Diretso. Hindi na. Aray ko, saan ko na ba yan nilagay? Dito. Okay. Kain tayo. Ay ko, gutom na talaga ako. Chicken naman lagi ang madadali, diba na ulam ko. Kasi wala namang ibang hindi ka, manok. Ito na lang. Hindi ko na lang dyan. Ito lang naman kakain. Okay. Kain. Yan. Masarap yan na salad. Sarap yan. Ano mga sigara. Sa ano, mahilig talaga ako sa ano ba yan, sa sausawan. Magano ako ng sa chicken. Minsan lang, sometimes only I use the ketchup, but mostly I use vinegar at saka the soy sauce. Ayan, hindi ano kasi iba yung sa American, pagpunta ko supermarket, wala na. Kaya ginamit ko na lang yung iba. Tayo sa usawan. Wala na ako lemon. Ito na lang gamit. Okay. Itipirin. May mauubos pa. Okay, ayan. Yung soy sauce ko. Okay. Yela guys, eat muna ako, okay? Oh, ayan. Nandito yung ano, liver. At saka yung rice ko. Okay? Hindi na kasi simpleng food lang naman ako meron. Kung ano meron dito sa ano. Kung anong meron dito sa kusina o sa ref. Kasi sayang naman din kung itatapon, di ba? Ayan. So yung liver, hindi masyado namang mainit. Okay lang. Ang importante nga makakain ako at may pagkain, okay? Thank you. Para mabusog yung tiyan ko. Pagkatapos when I finish to eat my lunch, mag-start cleaning na. Okay? Thank you again. Thank you. Shout out to all subscriber of mine. Again, nationwide, worldwide. So thank you very much to support in my social media, in my YouTube channel. I'm sorry that I didn't finish my live because nga my cellphone, the battery is, I think that one only is 20 or 30 and the another one also it's the same. So and I'm hungry also, so that's the reason. And I wish that you support me. I wish that you support me on my YouTube channel if you are watching to my video, in my simple video as a domestic helper here in Baghdad. That's what I'm telling to you always. So thank you very much. And have a nice day. God bless us all and keep safe lagi. Wherever you go, whatever you do, and keep safe lagi. Thank you. I wish you don't watch that thinking that I'm okay, OA, or just understand all my videos that what I have, because I'm just using also my cell phone, and it's not 100% talaga that I focus to what's that, to work only of my videos of my YouTube channel. It's if I have free time, if may mga madam and may alaga, or I'm alone here, so I use that one. If I'm going out, so I use also the video. So that's what the only one that I download. Okay, so thank you very much that at least I can share to you to nationwide or worldwide, kung sa Tagalog pa buong mundo, kung what I do here as a domestic helper in Baghdad, Iraq, in my daily work, that my journey, the journey of my life here. Okay, so thank you, and thank you, and I wish you subscribe me, you like, and you share to some of them, or to all that you are watching of my videos. Okay, thank you again, thank you, and God bless us all, and bye.